Hello everybody! Today's episode is gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna be playing the role of a babysitter. I don't have a baby with myself. I have this little fellow here. Very hard to see. Let me show you. Hey man, how are you? Come on here, little buddy. I found this cutie pie this morning in my backyard and it has been abandoned by its mother. I didn't know what to do with it, so I decided to take it and to try to save its life and baby feed it. I spoke with a friend and with a vet regarding what kind of child care I should support to it. So now I'm gonna try to artificially feed it with some milk and hopefully save it for the night and for the couple of following days until I give it to a friend of mine. So here we go. Okay, and I'll do a brief tutorial on how to properly baby feed it. This is what I just learned today. Basically, you need a syringe or a small droplet tool that can give a small amounts of milk, of liquid to the kitty. Small syringe like this will do. If you have a pipette, it will also do well. So, and this is milk. This is like 4.5% oily yogurt mixed with a little bit of hot water. So far I think this will do, and usually it's better to use specialized cat milk, like they sell it in the vet shops or in the zoo shops. It's in powder and you mix it with water, and tomorrow I'll buy that one. But for tonight I just didn't have this, and I couldn't go to any store because it was too late, so that's why I'm using yogurt now. So you take it, you make sure you hold its head so it doesn't move, and you take the syringe and be very careful not to put too much in its mouth because you can drown it. It's very it's naughty. It's going around. So you need to hold it firmly some way and as well softly, because it's very fragile at this age. So somehow hold its head like that, and it's still blind. It doesn't have any reflex. It doesn't know anything. So basically you just need to make it open its mouth. Come on, little buddy. Come on, little buddy. Come on, you can do it, man. You're a grown hero. You survived one day without mommy. Where is your mommy? Open your mouth. No. Just open your mouth. Come on. Come on, little buddy. Come on, please. Here we go. Here we go. Open up. And you need to be persistent, because it will shake its head left and right. Yeah. You got it. You need to be persistent. And now I put a little bit of milk in its mouth, and it shakes its head. That doesn't mean that it doesn't want milk. You need to feed it every 2-3 hours for the first month. That was what I was told by a friend of mine that was babysitting plenty of cats in her life. Here we go again. Let's try another one. Huh? Let's try another one. No. You're a big boy. Alright, I understand. Just patience. Open up. Open up, yes. Oops, that's my mistake. I put too much in its mouth because this is the problem with the syringe. It's very hard to push and to control and to dose and to put exact measurements of an exact amount. So a pipette, something that you can squeeze with your fingers, it's way more easy to control rather than this one. Let's try again. Huh? Sorry about last time. You want this milk? Yummy milk? Hmm? You don't want? Good boy. I don't know, you're a boy, you're a girl? We have to figure this out later. One last time. Well, it's a yummy milk, yummy milk. You're gonna grow big and strong, big and strong. Open up, open up. Yeah. No. Yes. You can do it, huh? Oh, you can do it by yourself. So once, yes. So interesting. So once it starts sucking, once it starts to suck, actually from the pressure it can suck. While it sucks the milk, the syringe shrinks by itself. So I don't even have to push it. So let's try to give him a little bit more. Let's see. Milk. And that's gonna be it. We have to be careful also not to overfeed it. Probably it will not accept anymore. Let's try this one. No. Look. Bzz. A friend of mine told me this is a very good steps you can take toward parenting, because pretty much with the babies, with the newborn, it's pretty much like that. Open them out. Yes. Here you go. No more? You're spitting out? Okay, let's... Okay. You don't want anymore, huh? I think that's enough for it. I'm afraid not to put too much in its throat so it doesn't get drowned. Okay, let me clear this. Okay, so also it's very important when you do that. They told me that you should stimulate its buttocks, literally, because it cannot exert by itself. And you need to stimulate its buttocks so it can exert, because it's still so small and cannot do it by itself, so it doesn't get intoxicated. And it's done with a wet tissue or wet fabric, Basically, like it's but let me hold you up like that. Check. Wait. It's clinging to my hand and doesn't allow. When I turn it like that, it always shakes. So you need to stimulate it, but it's like, oh, this is the hardest part. Stop a little bit. Stop shaking. Stop fidgeting. Hello, buddy. Trying to help you. Help me. Help me help you. Stop fidgeting, please. Stop. I don't know if I did something or not. So far, I'll leave it like that. So let's just put it back in place and take it to rest. Up from the small box, coming in the big box. So here's where it's gonna stay for the night. I'll baby feed it in 3 hours again. It's very important also to have a source of heat, and my friends told me that the best way to do it is to fill a small bottle. So this is not a deodorant or something, it's just an empty bottle I filled with a hot water, and I'll place it next to it so it can cuddle in it nearby. So it gives him the source of heat, like just like if it had a mother, it will cuddle to it. Although that even it's summer and it's hot outside, it still requires another source of heat. So that's it, guys, for this animal rescue video. It was my first time that I have had to do rescue operation like that. I just found this morning this little buddy in my backyard, and I was very hesitant. What should I do with it? I left it there for 1 hour, hoping its mother will find it out. Yeah, she didn't, so I thought that if I leave it there for longer, there's gonna be like other predators or a male tomcat's gonna eat it. So I decided to take it. If you can help me out with any advice and also with parenting, if you are from my town, I would really appreciate it. Okay, so that's it for now. Bye, take care, don't forget to smile. And if you see animal in trouble or a person in trouble, if you can, don't hesitate to help. What goes around comes around. Someday this will be rewarded to you if you are a good person. Cheers, bye bye, take care.